Lucy finds a magical wardrobe in the house she's evacuated in the Second World War. When she goes through, it's like it is a whole different world, but it's constantly winter. So she meets a whole bunch of interesting people, such as the Beavers, Mr. Tumnus, and it turns out that my character, the witch, casts a spell on all of Narnia to be in eternal winter. You shall know us better hereafter. I repeat my question. What are you?
Please, Your Majesty, I'm still at school, but it's the holidays now.
But what are you? Some great overgrown dwarf that has cut off its beard?
Are you?
Please, Your Majesty, I've never had a beard. I'm a boy.
Boy,
A boy?
you are the son of Adam. I see you are an idiot, whatever else you may be. She's very evil. She's evil, and she's had a very troubled history. She feels vulnerable at the same time as being scared. She's vulnerable and scared, but she also feels she wants to be in control because she never had that before. She's very controlled. She doesn't like showing people who she really is. She's very kind of ethereal as well. And she's magic, obviously.